What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the shop. We're going to be doing a little bit of welding work. We're going to be welding this piece of pipe to this flat piece of steel, just like this. And it's used for this, and it ends up doing this. So it's for my plastic mulch layer, used to lay out the mulch for the watermelon program. I did a couple upgrades to the machine, and I need a few of these welded together. I'm going to tack this right here. I'm going to tack it right here, and then I'm going to put a small bead down the middle just to kind of give myself a base, and then come back with a little bit of a thicker rod and go back and forth between the pipe and the flat piece of steel, just back and forth down the entire thing to try to fill in as much as I can so this doesn't fall apart in the field. So without further ado, let's get at it. What I'm going to do now is I have to grind down this little burr here from when I tacked them, and the truth will come out when I go to put these on the shafts that they're designed to be put onto. Okay, here's the moment of truth. It's got to go on. Uh-oh. Nope. It gets stuck. So this is my round one, 90 amp, 6013 rod. I just blasted everything on. I put too much heat into this material where it distorted the inside diameter and it doesn't fit on the shaft that it's supposed to. So instead of cutting this apart and trying it all again with this material, I just got brand new stuff and redid it again. 6013 rod, 160 amps, moving slow and beautiful. That's beautiful right there. That's really how it all should be. All right, here's the moment of truth. Stupid. That goes on. Yep, there we go. It's a nice tight fit. So here is everything completely put together with the upgrades. I went from the flat bed layer to the crowned layer, and that's why I had to weld on those 2 pieces of pipe in there to fit on the cover discs and the dirt shields for the upgrade. The crowned layer didn't come with those 2 pipes welded onto it, so I had to do that myself, which is fine. I got an awesome YouTube video out of it, and I got better at welding, so it's a total win-win on my end. And I can't wait to get back in the field for next season with this equipment and start laying plastic for another season of watermelon.